Welcome, everyone. Today we will focus on one of the cornerstones of UX research, the old-time classic card sorting. Card sorting together with its closest partner, tree testing, form up our information architecture tool section focused on organizing content of your platform. When creating a card sorting study in UXtweak, you are faced with a big decision at the very beginning, choosing one of the three available variants. Open variant, it's all up to the participants. They will create all categories by themselves, name them, and sort the cards into those categories. Closed variant. With this option, you want to set specific boundaries for your participants. They will sort the cards into categories you have prepared beforehand. Hybrid variant. Here it is all about collaboration. You prepare some categories in the setup. The participants can choose to use them to sort the cards or add any number of new categories which make sense to them. First things first, the general setup. Choose a fitting name for your study and one of the many available localizations. Next step is the cards themselves. Each card needs a label. You can also choose to add images and/or descriptions to the cards to make sure you communicate exactly what you want to the participants. Additionally, you can randomize the order in which the cards are shown to the participants, as well as displaying a random subset of the cards to each participant. Finally, there is an option to require all cards to be sorted to make sure your participants don't skip any of the cards. Now for the categories. If you are setting up an open card sorting, you are skipping this step. The setup for hybrid and closed variants is the same. Similarly to the cards, you choose a label for each category, and you can add the description as well for the additional information. You can finish your setup by adding additional questions to your study, adding a screener and editing the messages, which will be displayed to the participants during their participation. Once you are finished with the setup, it's time to launch the study and start gathering the responses. Send out the link using your own channels. Use our own database emailing system. Set up a recruiting widget on your site for an on-site recruiting, or order the participants directly from us via our user panel. The participants don't need to install anything. They can jump right into the sorting. They will drag and drop the cards into the categories they deem as the best fit. If they want to create a new category, all they need to do is drop a card into an empty space and name the newly created category. After the responses are in, you can learn which cards are the most picked for each category, or look at the results from the other perspective and analyze each card to learn which categories fit it the most. Delve deeper with advanced analytical views, such as similarity matrix, results matrix, popular placements matrix, and dendrogram. Don't forget that you can export the results as a PDF ready to be presented to your stakeholders or as a CSV file for further analysis. If you want to share the results online with anyone, simply generate a share link. Now, after the brief introduction, it's time to get to know the UXtweak's card sorting properly. Sign up now and create your first card sorting study in just a few minutes for free.